This is a chest-supported lateral raise, a great exercise to target those side delts in an even more shortened position than your regular standing up lateral raises. For that bench, you want to set the incline anywhere between 45 and 60 degrees. If you don't have a bench, you could also do a bent over, but it's a little bit harder this way. Place both knees on that bench and have your chest right up on that seat. Just like your regular lateral raises, as you're going up, imagine like you are pushing your hands out to the sides versus pushing up. This is going to help you feel it more in the shoulders and use less of the traps. Also, we are not coming straight out to the sides. As you can see right here, my hands are coming slightly in front of that body. Try to get a pause at the top, and on that way down, take the eccentric nice and controlled. Try to keep those dumbbells level and not pushing up too much with the thumb. Avoid swinging on the way down, and for these, I like to do a weight to where I'm going to do anywhere between 10 to 15 reps. Try to keep that head neutral with the spine so that you don't use a lot of the traps and shrug up those shoulders. Whenever you can't bring those dumbbells at least halfway up, that means you reached failure. And then what I like to do is I'll stand up straight and get 3 to 5 more reps of just regular standing lateral raises. Let's grow those shoulders, and you know what to do. Like and subscribe, please.